Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with the official demo video for Viral Valet, which is our new done-for-you app that will find and recreate proven viral videos for you for TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram using a very powerful piggyback strategy that all the top brands are using, that all the top influencers are using, all the top celebrities are using, even everyday people are using it to go viral in all kind of niches, the big niches that we all know of, like weight loss, fitness, crypto, finance, all those big niches, but also people going viral for niches they're actually passionate about. And we all know that for the very long time, everyone has always said, go after the big niches, go after the niches where people are spending money. But now, thanks to social video marketing and thanks to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook and all of that, you can now actually make money from your passions. Okay, so if there's something that you love to talk about, there's a good chance that there are millions of people out there that love to talk about or watch videos about that same niche as well, no matter how weird or obscure that niche may be. Okay, and I'm going to show you in this video how that's possible. And again, the beautiful part about Viral Valet is that you're going to be using other people's videos so that you can piggyback off of their videos to get yourself traffic, views, and sales for whatever product or service it is that you are promoting. Now, the beautiful thing as well about these social video platforms is that they have done the work for you. Now they all have an AI algorithm built into their platforms so that they know they pretty much group us into different groups based on what we watch. So anytime you watch a video on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, their algorithm starts to learn about your watching patterns. So they pretty much classify you into all these different groups. So anytime someone uploads a new video and you've shown interest in that kind of video, you're going to be shown that video. And that's how these algorithms work. They know who likes to watch what videos, and they just need more videos uploaded to their platform so they can continue to feed that algorithm and those groups of people the videos they like to watch. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how this works. We have multiple ways that you can come in here and actually recreate viral videos. One of the first ones you can do is come here to viral videos. This is our library of constantly updated viral videos feed. So this will always have thousands upon thousands of videos on here in all different types of niches that you can come in here and quickly recreate. And these are in everything. They're in sports, in comedy, in finance, in politics, in sports, everything. You can come in here and find videos that you'd like to target. All right, so let's say that you're like me and you love fishing. Okay, let me go ahead and click on this one here. All right, this is about catching bait in the Bahamas. All right, so what you can do is you can actually click play to watch the video to see what's about, how the length, and then you can go ahead and create your reaction to it. So the way that Viral Video Valet works is that it allows you to quickly create reaction style videos, stitch style videos, and split screen videos as well to piggyback off of these viral videos. So all you have to do is come here. If you want to use this one, click use this as the first, or you could have selected the second video. Then from here we have all these different options. Now, depending on which package you purchase, you'll either have access to all of them or just the first two here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use the split screen option. Okay, I'm going to do it horizontally. And then here you have the option to go ahead and control which one of the videos you want to show more. So I'm going to go ahead and show, let's do about 20% more of the first video. You also have the ability to loop your reaction video. And again, depending on which level you purchase, you'll also have access to our done for you reactions, so that you won't even have to actually create a reaction video if you don't want to. All right, so we will have a database of built-in reaction actors that will be doing all kind of reactions that you can stitch into your videos. The audio track, you can have just the first video sound, the second video sound, or you can have both if you're actually reacting to the video and you want both audios to sound at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and just leave the first audio track. Here you can go ahead and put any text that you want, which kind of describes the video, or if you want to add some emotion in text to the video, you can add all kind of text here. Then you can select where you want that text to be placed. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and choose the center. And we will be adding a few more options here, which will allow you to change the font, change the size of the font, and all that cool stuff as well. So here automatically that video was placed here for me, since I picked from one of the viral videos in our database here. And here you have the option to add the second video. So this is what's going to go on the second half of the video. Again, depending on which level you purchase, you'll be able to you'll have an option here to pick from one of our done for you reaction videos. You can paste in a URL if you have a video online that is a reaction style video, or you can upload a video file as well. All right. Now, the great part about this as well is if you've seen any of the example videos that I posted on the sales page, you'll see that there are people who don't say a single word in their reaction video. They just have their facial expressions showing as they're watching the video. And many times you can see that that person that's using that video, it tends to be the same video. So they recorded themselves once doing multiple different facial expressions, and they just continue using that same file and just piggybacking off the video that's already viral. So for this purpose of this demo video, I'm just going to go ahead and choose a video of me just staring into the screen. All right. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and hit create. And that's it. That's how simple it is to come in here and create your own version of videos that you can go ahead and repost onto your pages to piggyback off of viral videos. And once that video is done creating, you'll get something like this that you can preview before downloading. So this is one that I made and you can see how quickly that one was created. I used one of our built-in done-for-you reactions, and I used a fitness video that I found that's going viral as well. And here, once you're done previewing it, you can download it. All right. So that's one way that you can come in here and start having videos created by searching our viral video database. Another option is to just go directly to the custom videos tab. All right. And you can go ahead and hit create video. If you have an account that you already know that has videos on it that you want to recreate, you can go directly to that and copy the video URL and paste it in here directly. We'll go ahead and do a stitch style video this time. So a stitch style is one where the original video plays, and then the second half of that is you reacting to that video or saying your opinion about that video, or literally just saying nothing, just showing a facial expression. Again, it's just simple videos being stitched together, and you're just riding the wave of the original viral video. So here we're placing the stitch incoming text in the center. We're also gonna have it start whenever the first original video starts. So if the original video was 15 seconds long, then we want this text to show up at the 15-second mark so that people know that there's more to watch and there's a stitch coming. And people are kind of catching on to stitch videos as well. A lot of people use them, so the moment people see stitch incoming, they know to stick around to watch your reaction to that video. So here, if you have a video already ready, which I'm grabbing one now, you're going to paste that there, and you do want to make sure you're pasting the raw URL without anything here added to the end. And then the second video, I'm going to go ahead and upload that same video file. But again, you can put anything you'd like here. You can upload a file. You can paste the link of a file of a video that you have online, Or again, if you have our done for you reactions, you can add that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create to that as well. And that's it. Within a matter of minutes, I was able to quickly create 2 videos using other people's videos. And then we have one more option here where if you have absolutely no idea of what you should create videos about, we have our viral hashtags option here, which gives you a huge list of all of the popular hashtags that people are using that are from our viral videos database that you can go ahead and get ideas from. So you can see here, ASMR videos are obviously top. For your page is obviously a top one, but it's very general. But ASMR videos are popular. Dogs of TikTok are popular. Funny videos, obviously. Hair transformation. Diving. So if you like diving, you can do that. Los Angeles. Prank videos, obviously. Crazy dogs. Dogs is on here quite a bit. Eminem, if you like his music. Okay. So you can quickly see how you can come in here and find some hashtags, and you can see just how many views are being produced by these hashtags. And look at this one here, cookie challenge. So if you're into cookies or you're into recipes or cooking, you can make videos about that. And you can see just how many views are being produced from the viral videos, but also from the tags that are being used by those viral videos. So you can see gym here as well. All right, so all videos from all types of niches, and we have, you know, this just continues going on and on and on. Okay, Binance, crypto, trading. All right, so all the niches are in here if you need some help finding topics to create videos about. But the beautiful thing about these recreations is that, again, you can create videos around your passions, which is amazing. All right, so that's how simple it is to come in here and use Viral Valet to create videos for you using other people's videos. And then we also have additional features in here which allow you to track your accounts. So if you want to see the progress of how quickly your accounts start growing by using these videos, you can track an entire account. You can track your client's account. You can track your competitor's account. So or you can track accounts that you want to recreate their videos. So this will allow you to keep a pulse on anyone's account, and if there's one in particular that you want to use to recreate videos from, you can add them in here, and then you can always click on this option here and get more details about that specific account. Okay, you can also track individual videos. So if you create new videos and you want to stay on top of it, you can come in here, track a video using any URL. So again, it can be your own videos, it can be your client's videos, it can be your competitors' videos, and just get a full detailed insight onto what that video is doing, how many views it's getting, the engagement, the description, when it was uploaded, all the information, so that you can get data on what you can use to create videos as well. And then on top of that, we have down here the ability for you to analyze entire accounts as well. And then once you add an account in here, all of the videos from that account get added into the database, which will allow you to search for videos. So once you add an account in there, you can start searching by keyword, and all those videos that are using those keywords from videos that are in any of the accounts that you're analyzing will pop up, and you'll be able to use those to create videos as well. And then we also have an option here called influencers. So this is another one of our upgrades, which is another powerful way to quickly get traffic, which is paying these influencers to post about your offer, your services, and you can get some of these people to post for you for as little as $100, $150, and obviously the more followers they have, the higher those prices go. But you can see we have over 51,000 pages of influencers in here with all of their stats, with their contact information that you can go ahead and reach out to build a relationship, start paying for their traffic if that's something that you do decide to go after. Okay. But that's it. That's how powerful and simple it is to come in here and use Viral Valet to quickly start creating viral videos using other people's videos. And you can either, again, add your own reactions to this, or you can go ahead and use one of our built-in done-for-you reactions to create your videos. So go ahead and pick this up right now. We have it at a huge special that it's not going to be around for too much longer. So make sure you go ahead and pick it up now.